Does anybody know why my bike won't start? Try one more time. Wonder if it's the battery. I think it's the battery. Guys, so about a week ago, I had problems with my bike. My battery died. I couldn't start my bike. Just in case if you're wondering, today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it really is to change the battery on your motorcycle. This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883. Most Harley Davidsons are built the same way as far as the battery compartment is concerned. But if you're wondering, if you ran into the same issue that I ran into, which is the fact that, winter passed, it's been raining a lot in California, and my battery was just coming to its end. I had it for a little bit over 2 years since I last swapped it, and it was time. The battery just died. So anyways, if you're kind of like me, where I'm not, I'll be honest, I'm not super handy with tools. I can get my way around it, but I'm not like I'm not super handy. So I was a little bit scared, a little bit afraid in the beginning, because I didn't really want to mess up my bike. But yeah, today I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. So first of all, I'm sorry, the battery has already been changed, but I'm still going to show you where everything's at, okay? So, a couple of things. First, the only tool, at least on a 2017 Iron 883, the only tool you ever need is a screwdriver. I'll tell you why. You don't need to take the seat off. All you need is to uncover this compartment here, okay? And to get this compartment open, you don't even need a tool. You just need a little bit of elbow grease, okay? So there's two snap-ons right here. So you just kind of like just use a little bit of elbow grease and get that open. Just a little bit, and this exposes this compartment. Here's the battery, okay? Now, here's one thing that I found very interesting about my bike, okay? If you look at it, if you watch other videos on how to change a battery on a Harley, you usually see the positive side on this side and the negative on the other. But for some reason on this bike, it's been reversed, okay? So it's been switched, and only the negative is exposed. It's still not a big deal, okay? But anyways, if you want to switch the battery, so I bought this battery at Amazon. Cost like $55. Okay, I'll put the link of the product on the description if you want. Okay, but again, it's really easy. So you take this thing off, okay? You see here, there's like a little latch. If you want to open it, just kind of like just pull it up. It comes right out. And you kind of need to have this, okay? Because let's see. The first thing you want to do is, you see this this bracket. You need to get this bracket open, and for you to open this bracket, there's like a little screw here, okay, that you want to remove. So you loosen the screw, you get the screw out basically, and that will allow you to get this bracket out. Once you get this bracket out, you will be able to pull the battery out, like almost three quarters of the way out. Okay, so if you see here, here's the negative. Again, all you need is a screwdriver. Use a screwdriver to get this the negative side out. Again, and my motorcycle, for some reason, it's been switched. So I'm not sure why it was switched. If you're watching this video and you know why, you know, drop a comment. But you'll either be on this side or on this side. Get it out. Once you get this bad boy out, you'll be able to pull out the battery even more, all the way to the point where you'll be able to see the positive. And then do the same thing. Use a screwdriver to take the other cable out, and then you're done. So the thing about motorcycles is everything is so compact. Okay, I have like really fat fingers. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to get my way out. When I first had to switch my battery, I thought for sure I was gonna have to take the seat out, but you don't really need to take the seat out. Okay, you can, but it's not that necessary. All right, well, this is pretty much it, guys. You know, just let me know if you guys have any questions. It's really, really easy. Again, just take this bracket out. You need a screwdriver for it. All you need is a screwdriver and nothing else. Okay? All right, this is it. Good luck. All right, take care. Bye.